Dear educators, welcome back to the Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh. So in today's session, we're going to talk about how can you use your browser. So it could be your Chrome, it could be your Safari, Mozilla Firefox, anything of that sort, and connect your panel directly with it. So here, just click on your cast option. Now, as soon as you click on your cast option, this is the code. On your browser, just click on share.bytello.com. So I have the browser with me. Now from here, I just need to enter the code that is here, which is 8S96XD. Share, accept. So here I'm playing YouTube. Now I'm just navigating through any of these videos, and then if I play something, so from here I'm using my laptop and I'm using it here. I just need to change the variations, right? So that way your application becomes much more easier, and then you can stop sharing from your laptop. It is back to your panel. Thank you so much.